Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. I'm with my friend. Say hi, my friend. We are in Don Bosco. Tingnan mo yung lugar. Di ba ang ganda? Tingnan mo yung lugar. Pre, may masabi ka ba sa Don Bosco?
Wala, no comment.
Ha?
No comment.
Bakit? Di mo ba na-enjoy yung aming today is our 14 days of training here in Don Bosco. Anything you can say about Don Bosco or your lingua formazione in lingua italiana training, Dave?
No comment.
Why?
Very hard.
Can you show us what are you doing right now?
Video conference.
Video conference of your friend from Czech? Wow, that's good news. Dito may mga naglalaro din dito ng football. Anywhere else in the Philippines you cannot see like this, right? Dapat English ba pag nagba-vlog? maganda ba mag-vlog English? May mga nagpo-football po sa aking likod. Ito po isang football court. Football court training. Ganito lang technical, ganito lang mga uniform ng mga tao rito, ganyan. Mga vocational. Okay guys, say goodbye na to the vlog, pre.
Bye.
Bye. Wow.